Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5072033. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on background intelligent and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can, once done, go back to Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here if you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update, go to here, you can see pause update option, hit pause, and once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow and copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033 over here, and then click on search. And now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option at the bottom and you will see your system type over here. So for me it's x64. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and over here you will see KB5072033. click on it over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. Just follow the on-screen instruction, install this update manually, and once that is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, here you can see recovery option, click on it, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows, your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now when you run the exe file, you have to click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow and then click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.